Hi everyone, this is for Aries, you versus me. We will be checking your energy versus your person's energy, what is happening in the connection. And this reading is going to be in Hindi and English mix, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's begin. So right now I'm checking your energy. Okay, one thing is for sure that your self-worth is increasing. Okay, and look at the card when it comes to the situation. There's a new beginning in the situation. Okay, okay, I'll talk about this later. So let me just pull all the cards. But starting with you, I do feel that now you're not going to chase anything stupid. Now you're not going to chase anything which is like a flake. You might have been having different kind of thoughts, like for example, I might just download this app and see what happens. I might just talk to this person and see what happens. Oh, should I be accepting this person's request? Should I be going back to this person? These all thoughts are appearing, but you're not putting any food to them. Okay, you're not really following these things. You're not seeing these thoughts and these energies as a sign, as a universal sign. Because why? Because you're so grounded into your energy, Aries. आप अपनी energies में इतना ज़्यादा grounded हो चुके हो, इतना ज़्यादा centered हो चुके हो, which I feel is a big achievement. You are becoming so much into yourself, so aligned, so centered, that you are going to cut down anything which is not in your favor. You are cutting down everything where you have to become the chaser. जहाँ पे आपको chaser बनना पड़ रहा है, वो चीज आप cut down कर रहे हो. Where you have to become codependent on someone, where you feel that I am being someone which I am not, you're going to cut down that person. You're going to cut down that energy. You're going to cut down that relationship. You're going to walk away from it, and that is what is bringing a big change into your relationship. Okay, that is this entire change will lead you to something which is very magical. Okay, because you have definitely decided that I am not going to fall for anything stupid. I'm not going to fall for anything false. I'm not going to fall for false hopes. And the card says the relationship is over. No second chances. You are moving on. You are not going to give any second chance to your person. You're not going to give any second guesses to your person, or any kind of benefit of doubt to your past people, or any of your ex-lovers, or anyone that you have in your mind right now while you listen to this reading. Okay, it says you are transforming, you are growing, and you know what's dead is dead. Okay, what's dead is dead. It's as simple as that. Why? And as you've received this awakening, as you are understanding the situation, as you are receiving this spiritual awakening, you are moving towards higher commitment of eternity. This commitment is going to be something mind-blowing, something that you have not experienced ever, something which you're not even expecting probably. Okay, right now your focus is just on rejecting what needs to be rejected. Okay, and now you will see the union. Okay, now you are going to experience that togetherness, what a relationship really means. And I don't know why, but for some of you, I do feel that you should get inspired by Shiva Shakti, by Krishna and Radha, not because the passion that they had, not because the romance that they had, but Krishna taught Radha about making her understand who she was. Shiva and Parvati had their own purpose. Each and every god and goddess that came as a couple on this planet, they all had a purpose, and this purpose is beyond passion, this purpose is beyond romance. Okay, so this is something real is happening, something serious is happening, something mind-blowing is happening. Okay, talking about your person's energy, okay, let me talk about, okay, let's do your person's energy also first. And your person doesn't mean the present person, but it could be any person which has their energy attached to your life right now. Okay, spiritual awakening, signs, commitment, Blair, the other woman, change, romantic feelings. Okay, let me tell you one thing. It doesn't matter whether you are in contact with this person or not. Okay, because but this person, there's some person in your energy who has been learning a lot about relationship, who has been learning a lot about themselves. वो अपने बारे में बहुत कुछ जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो अपने आप को बहुत समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये पर्सन कमिटमेंट को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Probably this person have had this player energy, or they were afraid of commitment, they were commitment phobic, but now they are understanding what this commitment is all about. Is it just about romantic feelings, or it is beyond that? And there has been, I do feel that this person, probably earlier, this person was doing everything on the basis of competition, that I need to do this because this person has also done this, I need to do this because I need to do this. But now this person, whomsoever this person is, now they are doing what they need to do, what is being asked to do, because they are now, I do feel that this person is getting some sense. Okay, I don't know if you're going to choose this person or not. It seems someone from your past, it can be a new person also, I don't know, but this person, the whether it's a new person or an old person, जो energies मैं अभी बता रही हूँ वो कहीं ना कहीं past से related हैं. The energies are related to the past. Okay, probably this person, even if it's a new person, this person has been a player in their in their past, or and now they're changing. It can be your ex-lover also, कोई भी हो सकता है. So this person is receiving a lot of signs about what love is and what love is not for them or to them. Okay, this person is understanding that commitment is not just about having romantic feelings. Okay, commitment is not about having some kind of competition. Commitment is not just about not dating other men or women. Commitment is not just about having fun. Commitment is not just about that one dreamy day, but commitment is beyond that. Okay, this is what I see in the them energy. So some transition has happened in their life, some transition is taking place in their life, and they have gone through a lot of dark night of the souls. This person has gone through some real major thunderstorms in their life. Okay, though the thunderstorm part is over now, and now this person is coming into the senses. Now finally the chaos is being settled, now finally that storm is being settled, now finally that calmness is coming into this life. And when the calmness arrives, this is when the spiritual awakening happens. This is when the cycle of spiritual awakening gets completed, and the together energy, or let's say like the union energy, the middle energy, here we got the card of new beginning. So definitely a new beginning is happening, and this new beginning could be you finding someone new, or this new beginning can also be with an old person. But definitely you both had your own new beginnings, and now together you're going to have your own new beginning. Okay, some of you are also going to you might meet someone, or you are attracting a person into your life where you're going to settle somewhere else. Like you're not going to be in a city or something, but you might start your life in a very different zone, in a very different area with this person. So that is what I see. I hope it helps. Bye bye.